kind of, let's begin to style our center part. Is no longer center parting. First of all, before you carry anything that is hot on your hair, what do? Make sure say you get heat protectants this month. Heat protectants will be available for you all this month to purchase from Chacha Ngwanu. We are going to spray these heat protectants all around the hair. Make sure say you get this Rateco. Make sure you have your serum oil. So this serum oil is going to be available for sales. My sister, take 1 drop. Say 1 drop. Then you begin rub like this. Then rub all over the hair. You carry your wax stick, apply. Begin to flatten. You are going to pick from down and drop. How do you straighten your hair? First of all, you want to section. Make sure you comb. My heat protection, spray all over. It's on 180 degrees. You are going to take your hair like this, okay? This one are the short one. Just comb through, clip, and bring down. Take it slowly. To curve your hair, you are going to do like this. You see the way the thing curve? Heat protectors. Beauty world no they play, but the hearts where they light the way. Best quality she go always bring. Now her name that they always. Chacha beauty she know they rest. Every product now she they test for. Okay, everyday styling. This is on period. Check out this straightening. Ngwanu, rate it yourself. Organic kind of me, rate it yourself. And this is on period. Period though, and there is no cap. Check out now, Wanu. Check out hair they cry, beauty they cry, straightening they cry, everything they cry now. Check it out, baby. You dey see how to straighten hair. Some people go just straighten hair. It go be like say, I don't even know which name to give it. But I hope you learn from this one. Learn from this one and do it yourself. Check out the front. You see the styling. And this hair is from Angie's hair. I think this hair is already 4 years. Yes. Don't reach 4 years. Yes. Maybe go don't even pass it. I don't remember again. But anyways, now maintenance be your hair. So this is how to bop your hair. Ngwanu, what I go? See now house I for run this thing. So your hot comb, your stretcher, everything is going to be available this month, October, where we do it. So I'm going to announce the day I'm going to be launching all the hair products you need to maintain your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. So this is a 10 inches bone straight from Angie's hair and is a natural Kela or guinea kind of make. Thank you for watching. Of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for gangalicious videos.